All right. Let's continue. So actually, nothing is wrong. I would have loved to clear the cache, but listen, let me use the other browser to test what I was actually telling you. You click. I want to copy this. Copy. All right. Copy. Copy it. Copy. I want to paste in another browser. Although if after now if I clear cache, it's going to work. If I clear caches, and I believe as a web developer, I should have understand all of that. Okay. Oh, this mouse, what is not responding? Come, the Swift. Oh, okay. All right. I want to show you the front page, and this is called the default page of the WHMCS. This is the test template goes on. Okay, and yes, you will learn other things as time goes on. Okay, and sorry, you are okay. The moment you enter, it's not going to give you that page because we've deleted that what's it called. Why is loading? Let me check now. Dealt in setting up our, we've configured our server name, host name, and every other thing. Now, oh, sorry, I'm not sure if we have configured the automation. And I told you at the earlier on that automation is very, very necessary. Although we can later do it here, we can't do it here. So what you have to do, click here, system setting. Alright, click on system setting. Okay, let's make other settings. Let's, oh, the session has expired. Oh, sorry, let's log in again. You want to log in, So, oh, it's normal. It's normal. Now, this is the system setting. When you click at the system setup, this is what, let's go to the general setup and make some brief settings immediately. You still confirm with your password. This is called WHMCS. It will automate your billing. All these things we have set them, you can change them and all that. Okay, we have this is where you can use any of these, but it has been here. Let's check out what we will see. This is the default. When you open that link, the link I once told you, this is the default. Okay, you can search for domain, you can order, but then you have to set them. You have to set them first. You can't order for anything now because you've not done certain task. You can change the template. This is the default template 21 and 6 and all that. So we look at all this, any school settings here. All these things you can set them much later. So the major thing we are going to do, let's go to automation settle. Okay, let's check the thing I once told you. Okay, I will copy it again. Sorry, we never did the configuration before, but should in case you have done this, you go head straight to your cPanel and search for cron job, your WHMC panel cron job. All right, and you have to set it up. You have to set it up. I am not putting any mail here for notification. Maybe I'll put it once per 5 minutes, and I will come here and just paste that thing I copied. Okay, and save. You've added the cron job. Beautiful. This is just all you need. Then when this one is done, let's go back and all of this. See, WHMCS is wide. It's not something we'll cover on this way, but let's go here and do some major setup. We'll set up a product and we should be able to order a product. You go to this automation settings. You understand? You click here. When you click here, you set how your automation should be. Okay, blah blah blah. take your time. The things are lengthy. I may not discuss all. The next thing I want us to set up is payment gateway. Okay. What again? Domain WHMCS. All right. Okay. Let me show you how to set up your product. To set up a product, first of all, what you have to do is go here. To click on product and services. Product and services. You add new product. You see, this is a fresh WHMCS. So nothing will be here, but add. Okay, click on create new group. We'll create group. This is where you can have a share hosting group, reseller group, and all that. The implication of this, okay, you understand as we go. Let me call this shared hosting. This is group, and group is different from you can add something and write something on these ones, but I don't have that time. If you check here, this group will be hidden. Now, after now, we are going to set up a payment gateway to enable us order something. Otherwise, we cannot order anything. All right. Now we are done with this. The next thing we are going to go is we are going to add a product. So we will see that product here. When we add it, we can. This is register, transfer domain, product, store. Store. There is nothing on store here. Browse or not. You're going to see nothing. But when we add this product now, it's going to show up. When we add product now, it's going to show up here. You see the kind of product. Now, they'll just join me. Join me. So now we have gotten this group. So you create new product. This is how you set up your this thing. So reseller. Now, for those of you using masters or people to resell under you, you can create a reseller. After creating it, you'll be going to the WHM to do it. Remember what we created before the WHM. So shared hosting. This is the only group available. If you create more than one group, you'll be seeing all of them. Models, no models. Now these models, what you click is cPanel because they are all doing on cPanel. If you want this product to be hidden, you click on hidden. Then the product name, you can call it starter. Okay. Okay. Starter. Starter hosting. Just something like this. Alright. You okay it. Alright. Having done that, now you will configure a lot of things here. Let me just do this, okay? Or let me copy from my website. Gigabyte Cloud. Now what you will put here, you can put the product timeline, short description. You can just see, but I may not bother. I will not bother with doing all that. When you have a time, wherever time, you can do all that. So we go here. Let me show you something. Network is not too good to know. All right, shared hosting. Click on shared hosting. Now, after now, you'll be seeing all this kind of thing. Okay. After now, you can even make more research. All right. Now, these are the description. Let me just copy all of this. When we added 5 add-on and all that, you can change this right up. Go here in this product description, drop it here, just pasted it. Okay. After pasting it now, uh, check here to hide from order from. Right. Check to show domain registration option. If you want it to show domain registration option, all right. If this thing is going to give him a welcoming email, apply test, check to hide. If you check it, it will check to hide. So I don't think this should be checked. should not be checked. Check to show domain registration option. Check to hide from other phone. Should not be hiding from other phone. Alright, we save it. Alright. Then the next thing, the modules. Alright, set the product check the same at the starter. This is the detail, the first place you appear where we're giving it a starter. We've done all of this, you know. Then you click here, pricing. How do you want it? You want it one time payment or recurring? If it's recurring, one time, monthly, quarterly, you set here. The default price is usually in dollar. Let's assume you are selling this product for $5. Quarterly is let's just say 20. We are just fixing at random. Let's say 50. It could be anything. This amount are the amount you're selling your product. If it is share hosting, like this is a starter, okay, let's say 100. Then after then you come down, you save. Depending on how you want to set it, some people you can only buy on quarterly, you can only buy semi-quarter, annually and annually. So you click on save changes. Now you save the changes, right? Then the next important thing now listing is the module settings. This module settings helps you. This is where you connect to the WHM account. You remember we've created basic package before and starter, and that's why you're seeing them here. The server group, we didn't create server group. Server group is when you want to have, when you have more than one server. You can have 10, 20 server using the WHMCS. Then the server group can create maybe for server A, server B, and all that. You know, this, like I said, the WHMCS is wide. There have been no server group, so they are just using the normal one we have. But I can group this one, like this group, to have a share hosting. You know, I can do it. Let me return and do it and come back, so you understand what I mean. Server group, then create new group. All right, look at it. This, okay, this is the right server group. No. This is not the place, sorry. Okay. Now to create a server group, create a new group. You know, this is not what I mean. This is not what I mean. Please, I will show you. Let me show what I mean. Okay, for this server group, sorry. You go here. Let me use the opportunity to tell you about server so you understand about it. Search for server here. Server. Now this server, should in case you connected before and it didn't work, you can reconnect again. Look at what we connected before. You can synchronize. Look at the WHM usage and everything. You can synchronize, you can do anything. Now this server group, you can create, you can add a new server. Like I said before, you can add a new server, you can add a new WHM account, like you add it like we did before. You test connection and it work. You've gotten a two server, you can have as many. So WHMCS is for complete package. So for this server group, I'll create new group. I will just shift this one, this cloud, not as if you can change, but I will call it shared hosting. Shared hosting, you can call it anything. I will add it. So I have a, so if you have another server, we have added on, you can add more server from this place. You can add as many servers as you want. You can log in through your, you can synchronize account. These are the functions. So you check all of this, then you proceed here. Then we are in product and services. product and services. Okay, then we are still here. You check here, so you set it up properly. Right, we've added all of this. This was the one we have added. We've added our prices, then the models. Now you check this server group. It's none, but you can see that shared hosting I previously created. It appears here. So these are uh, everything about this server that I created. Let's assume I am putting them for starter. All of this is not normal, but use this one. I prefer using automatically set up the product as soon as we make payment. Once a first payment is received, it automatically set up the product. So that is once a payment is received, it gives you the product. Do not automatically set up the product. That means you want to do it manually. I normally go with the automatically set up when manually accepted pending order. You can use this. That means it will set up product only when you have accepted pending order. Whichever one you use, this and this, you are right. You understand? But let me just after payment, it will automatically set up the order. So that is that. So we have done with the major thing. So with this now, we can order custom feed. This custom feed, it is a story for another time. Like depending on the kind of product you are setting up, upgrade. We have only one this thing. When we have more than one package, we can upgrade packages. We can do all of this, and what have you. I think we are good to go. We'll go back, so look at the setup. After first payment, it's auto set up when first payment is received. Then the next thing I want to consider again here now is before you, okay, we have only setting up 8%. The next thing that is so important is to set up a registrar. Okay, a registrar for domain. Okay, I will try to see what I will do. Let me set up, let me just type here gateway. You set up payment gateway. Now this gateway, you click on it to set up how you want to be receiving your payment. Now no payment gateway is available, so view here to see the one we use. You can use paystack. You can, all these are the payment gateway that are available. You can use PayPal, Stripe to receive payment automatically. Alright, but for the purpose of this tutorial, all this for paystack, all out, I will use bank transfer for now. If you want to use others, I will do a special video for all that. I will use, because if no payment gateway is set, nothing's gonna work. When you activate it, you're gonna set it, so it will enable you to order. I just want us to make our first order, so you see how this work in your time. Let me just call the Bank of America, Bank of America, payer name. Let's just put Gigabyte. You can change it to account name, sort code. Let's just put a random, the number. Now the moment you save changes, it's done. An error occur. Why did an error occur? Sort code. Why did an error occur? Okay, it has saved. Perfect. Perfect. Now that you have saved, now you can add more. You can visit for integration. I will be showing you how to add when especially you want to register a domain. How to add your, what is it called? Now that we have added, let's see how we if we can order a product. Now review here, and these are the web hosting can work. If I add more on share hosting to bring in all, it will, and this Omena it will not accept. If I add more on share hosting to bring in all, it will Omena it will not accept. The reason what is it called? The reason is because I've not set up my registrar where to do the domain. Let me just add something like this .com. It's just random, then use watch you order. I'm already ordering for a product. You can set, if you set only 1 month it will be 1 month, but we set more than a month. Okay, if you want more than 1 month, if those things are, if you want set to 2 years, let me just set this, then you continue continue, then you check out you check out. All right, oh now I'm good for now. I'm going to fill my name. If I'm not, let me write the email. Let me put tech. Write the email. All right, let me just use this. Let me put random number. Okay, company is optional. Let me put one that's not optional. Street, California. 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 All right, city, New York. New York. Postal code should be having 1, 2, 3. Don't know if I'm correct. If I'm not correct, since it's US, it can easily detect it, and it might want. Okay, all right. Okay, you can join mailing list, then you click order. Now, let's see. Error encounter your state, your does it. Okay, um, that's the issue. Okay, California. Let me just leave it at that. Then you order. Password, we need to enter password again. So you just fill all of this fine. It's going to work. It's going to work. This is how you set up your products. So these are the major things on page. To work now. It generates an invoice. The invoice is on page. Now, if you use other payment gateway, it's going to take you to that payment gateway depending on what you set. Then let me go back to client area. Now, this thing will send an email to the administrator telling him an product has been ordered. If you follow, you click here, order, click here, click here, order. You can sell other thing. All right, look at what we order, look at the person that order, activate, activate. Now it has created all of this, and we can approve order or approve order. Then the next thing we have to do after approving this order, it has created us a an account, and someone now after now you're going to see how it's going to send email to the account holder. It's going to send email telling him his share hosting account has been approved. All right, so I think for now this is where we stop. Or connection, this should be network, but I know it has gone. It has gone. Connection, this should be network, but I know it has gone. It has gone. It should be network. Yours will not add, will not be like this. Okay, it has gone. Byte Tech. Now this is the information of the Byte Tech. I will check his invoice. Please, whoever that pay, make sure you mark this paid. As I'm marking it paid, you're going to send an email confirming that this guy has paid. Alright, let's go back and check here. Then refresh here, you discover that this pay will go off. My service, like every interesting. Alright, my service, like every other hosting, you can log in to your cPanel, right? You log into your cPanel from here. By then, if I show you my email, the one I use in registration, you discover that an email have been sent. Alright, after now, this is logging into the cPanel. Log into the cPanel, so you just see, are you seeing it? Fantastic. This is fantastic. Alright, this is done. Then the next thing here, let me start. You click, I should show you a few things. All eyes, okay, for register, you click, I should show you a few things. All of suspend this guy. You click here, you look for, if he has more than one account, the account will line up here. You can terminate this account, you can send them mail. You as an admin can log in admin from here, and what have you. If you want to suspend this account, all you have to do is to, where is the hand? Suspend, it will suspend the account. You can terminate, you can do anything you wish to do. This is his profile, you can edit whatever you want to edit as an admin. So that is all you have to know. Then before I will leave, after showing you this WHM, I will teach you how you can install Paystack and what is it called when you want to your registrar. Then let's check this your WHM. When you check now, you discover now that you have one domain registrar, courtesy of what we have done so far. Okay, let's check now. You see one domain that has been registered, right? One domain that has been registered. Okay, right. Are you seeing it? If you register to the second one we call, it will keep coming, it will keep coming, it will keep coming. You can suspend from here, you can terminate from here. It will keep coming, you can suspend. Alright, before I stop, I will be showing you how to set up reseller for, I will show you for one, but so many these things are there to set up when you want to sell what is it called, domain. And so you can synchronize I and so you can synchronize I can't use my account for this tutorial. Okay, let's use Paystack for instance. Let's install Paystack here. Let's install Paystack. So to install Paystack, if you want to you using Paystack, you will be going to the internet and you download Paystack for WHMCS. In my case, I already have it. Let me just install. You will search for Paystack. In my case, I already have it. You will come here and upload the file. Enter this file manager, and then you upload the file. Upload the file. Okay, for Paystack, you go to models, gateway, because you want them to appear at the gateway. All of these are there, so you upload. For my case, I already have Paystack downloaded on my system. Your case, you may need to what's it called, you may need to download, or if you request for mine, I can send for you. For those of you that may want to use paper and other payment gateway, you are free. There are also some other payment gateway that support crypto. Alright, so these are the things you just need to know. I want to install Paystack, so you know how to install the register payment gateway for any kind. The same thing applies if you want to install for register. Let me go to my download. I've downloaded this before, but I believe it should be there. However, if it is not there, we're going to look for it. Okay, look at it. Paystack for WHMCS. You install it. You're going to install very quickly. Very quickly. Alright, very good. Then we reload, then we reload, reload. Then where is the paystack? At it here. Okay, look at it here. At it here. Extract on gateway. Now you are going to do this. Check it at. Are we going to see paystack here? We reload, so we are doing paystack owns this. Okay. Where is the paystack? Okay. Gateway. I am looking for the paystack. Okay, look at it. Paystack for WHMCS. Alright. Now you will remove this from this folder to enable it to work. This thing is in gateway folder. Understand what I'm doing? If you don't do it, follow this method, it's not going to work. Then you remove it from this folder. This one should be here. Okay, move. This one has moved. All right. There is something called callback. Look at modules gateway. All right. Look at this folder callback. So go to paystack for WHMCS. There is something here. You need to send it to that callback. Then after much, you have to create account with paystack. I'm going to move it now to just do this. Go back. You move the file there. Now I think now if you go back here, you cannot decide to delete this. That is just the setup of we have installed paystack here, and delete this. If you go back now, you can see paystack, but then you need to configure it. Then if you go back to your product and services, I'm going to product and services. You can see gateway. You can type for gateway. Understand? When you type for it, you log in. When you log in, you can search. You check here now. You will see paystack. Previously, paystack was not here. If you doubt me, check it before you add it. So now we can check for paystack and we'll activate it. After activating it, we can be using it to collect payments, like most of you do. Paystack, check for paystack. Paystack will be added down part of it. So newly added paystack. Where is paystack? All right, look at it. Look at paystack. Look at paystack. I just added it. You activate it. After activating it, you create your paystack account. You add all of this and you save changes, and it's going to be alive in the order form. So this is how you add basically your payment gateway. This is how you add your payment gateway. And I think at this juncture I have taken you far in this. uh, every other guide I will guide you on request. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I know this tutorial is a bit lengthy. It's worth it. It's worth it. Having your own web hosting companies are priority. Have other templates. Now, tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can have other templates. Now, if you add two products, it will come out. You add three products. That is what you keep doing to see it populate your website. Hope that is gotten. All right. Thank you very much for trusting.